condense psychosis. अब देखो कौन सा है psychosis?
And one peculiar symptom is telling us the noise is intolerant here.
Yes, noise intolerant. क्योंकि अगर ये गाड़ी में ट्रेन में कहीं जाना है तो उसे फिट्स आएंगे ना,
convulsions बढ़ते.
Yes, he gets convulsions if he is traveling in train because of that noise. He gets the convulsions.
Stitching
He's again separated.
Stitching.
Yes. अब यहाँ पर noise intolerance लेंगे या sensitive लेंगे?
So sensitive is soric, sir. Sensitive is soric, sir.
Remember this. Sensations are sensitive to acuteness. Yes. A person whose age is 80 years, but able to find out without specs, find out the object. Long, एकदम long distance में. उसे क्या लेंगे?
Acute sense.
Acute sense. Yes. A person whose age is 70, 80 years can hear a small whisper of somebody who is in the next room. Acute sense.
Yeah, it's
Then now IST वाले रेमेडी चाहिए. You have taken ailments from Hana rounded बोल के ले लिए खत्म rubric. Ailments from Hana rounded बोल के rubric ले लिए. Whether this is going to help you here now?
no, sir, because pathology already pathology.
Yes, pathology is already advanced. Pathology is already advanced. Yes, उसीलिए तो आप इतना पूरा history लेने के बाद you are going to land into many conclusions, and only because of this. We want only the journey of disease and what is present day's condition. That's all. And only because of that reason, don't mix up all these things, creating a big mess and landing onto a wrong end. Right? This is not the procedure. इतना लंबा चौड़ा केस लेने के बाद में भी मतलब रिजल्ट नहीं आया तो बेकार का. What is ready available in front of you is your rubric. Enter the case through this rubric.
CBT rubrics.
That's what.
Smiling ultraviolet.
That's what. अब इतना पूरा elements from father, mother's history. इतना, yes. To build up the case, you want the complete history. To build up the case, but to treat the case, yes. To treat the case is something different. What is readily available in front of you is your rubric. That's what. What the pathological condition is this? Yes, appearance भी दिख रहा है. Yes. फैमिली हिस्ट्री में किसी को था ऐसे ऐसे, अगर आपको चाहिए जेनेटिक एनालिसिस में वो भी ले लीजिए. Yes. The tendencies, whether the tendency is definitely psychotic, whether the tendency is soric, whether the tendency is syphilitic, you will also find out with that family history. Why do we take family histories? Because of this. Yes. And personal history, how is he? Round face, forehead ऐसा है. This is what. This is the area where I concentrate. Okay, I concentrate. You don't concentrate on that. Okay, right? ये सिर्फ पढ़ाने के लिए था आप लोगों को. I concentrate on that. How his appearance is. Yes, because इसे मुझे पैथोलॉजी ऐड करना है उसमें. Along with that, my remedy is out. Simple. Okay. So I concentrate on round face. ये है तो कोई मेटालिक है. उसे उठा के भी देखें तो किस हेवी टफ. उठा के भी देखें किस हेवी है टफ है. तो I want something
Heavy metal. Heavy metal.
metal. But is obese, tough, will not have necessity. Because neck is very short.
And patient is
Neck
mild
is very short.
affection.
Back. And only they will not have this.
Cuprum.
Palladium. Whether palladium has got fits ma?
No, sir. Cuprum. Cuprum. It will be cuprum.
Then अब इसको होना है तो आपका psychotic पे ऐड कर लो. Desires, aversions, yes, thermals, thirst, all those psychosis. If you want to add all those to confirm the remedy, psychosis. Yes, हर 2 घंटे में एक बार से भूख लगता है. Yes, भूख लगे तो रोता है. He is demanding. साइकोसिस है, डिमांडिंग। यस, वहां पर खामोश नहीं बैठ रहा है, भूख लगे तो वैसा मुंह लटका के नहीं बैठ रहा है, वो रो रहा है, यानी कि डिमांड कर रहा है। यस, यू वांट ए डिमांडिंग रेमेडी देयर। फाइन, नहीं डिमांडिंग नहीं है।
सर कहाँ सर इतनी देर में रोया भी नहीं सर, वो इतने आवाज में तो बच्चे पूरा तमाशा करा करते थे सर। कितना पेशेंस है उसमें,
है ना?
अफेक्शनेट है,
है ना?
स्ट्रांग है, अफेक्शनेट है, स्ट्रांग है, पेशेंस है।
हाँ,
माइल्ड
इवन इफ विदाउट होल्डिंग उसका नहीं, कभी भी वो होल्ड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, देखने की कोशिश कर रहा है,
मैं
क्यूरियस
वही
है,
तो बोल रहा था।
कॉन्स्टेंटली देखने की
तो
कोशिश
इसीलिए
कर रहा है।
इसीलिए तो आपको डिमांडिंग करने वाले कौन रहते हैं? स्ट्रांग पर्सन रहते हैं। यस, आप नो डिमांड करने वाले स्ट्रांग रहते हैं या नहीं?
Yes.
And only because that reason, when he was telling that, मतलब इसे कई आवाज में conversions आते हैं. Okay, we have taken that into consideration, but we did not see. We did not see. I did not consider. Right? I did not consider. We'll take that as a last rubric. Last rubric. Because what is readily available in front of me is my rubric. That's all. I concentrate on that. उसको क्या करना है मुझे? Elements from अगर पक्का मिल रहा है तो लेता हूँ या नहीं तो nothing particular. Yes. Then उसके बाद में आप लोगों को क्या चाहिए? Investigations reports में आपका pathology पूरा आ गया. Pathology पे ऐड करना. और उसको miasm ऐड करो. What is that? Psychosyphilitic miasm. Plumbum. Plumbum लोग ने खोल
No, sir.
Plumbum is strong above the shoulders. Plumbum is weak below the shoulders. Plumbum is strong above the shoulders. Yes? Right? And आपके अब इसके mental symptoms, मुझे previous mental symptoms I don't require now. Yes, that is to construct what was his sura, what was his psychosis, and what is present. I want this syphilitic rubrics now, syphilitic expressions now. Okay? Yes, as he said, मैं उठाने के बावजूद, new touch did not trouble me. He was not crying. Yes. Why do we generally carry these children when they are in front of us? We are trying. Why do we try to hold them? Why do we try to interact with them? It's only because whether the child's psychological status is strong or weak. Whether he is definitely strong or weak. Yes. Apis group. Exactly. Apis group. आप उसे hold करेंगे. Yes. His neck was going back. I was trying to hold from back, but he was not trying. He was not trying. अब मुझे एक strong चाहिए था, as he said.